Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to upload a Canva design to Vistaprint. All right. So first up, go ahead over to your Canva account. Now select one of your designs. For example, this QR code right here. So just click on it, wait for it to load. And once it loads, make sure that you download it. Okay. Click on share right here at the top right, download. Okay. There's no other way to connect or upload your Canva design to Vistaprint aside from downloading it and uploading it to Vistaprint. All right, download, wait for it. There'll be a download page, save it wherever you want, and change the file name if you want to for Vistaprint. Once done, just hit on save, then go back to your Vistaprint studio. Okay, in here, just click on upload from device. Now, if you don't know how I get here, just go ahead over to your Vistaprint account or vistaprint.com. Now select from any of these products, for example, a business card. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and select upload design right here. Select the shape, corners, and just hit on next. All right. Close this one and just click on create my design. All right. For you to be able to have access to the Vistaprint Studio. Now go to images, upload from device. Here we have the QR code that was downloaded from Canva. Right here. And there you have it. That's how you upload a Canva design to Vistaprint. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.